Come along and edit a brow photo with me. Once you've decided on the photo you'd like to edit, open the FaceTune app and choose the photo. FaceTune has lots of different editing features that you can use to edit your photos. I personally like to keep my editing really natural, so I only use two of the features, smooth and patch. Let's start with patch. I use the patch feature to touch up any blemishes on the skin. Click the patch feature and then click the blemish you'd like to cover up, and then choose the area on the skin that you'd like to replace it with. Next, let's use the smooth feature. Slide back over to retouch and choose smooth. Here you can touch the areas of the skin that you would like to soften or smooth out. You can use the slide bar at the top to decrease or increase the amount of smoothness. Then swipe the areas of the skin that you would like to smooth out. I like to work the under eyes, around the nose, in between the brows, and potentially around the lips. When you are happy with your results, hit save in the top right hand corner and it will be saved to your camera roll.